Okay, this is array coding back question number 4. And on this particular one, we have to figure out which is larger, the last or first element. That will kind of be the first step. And then set all the elements to be that value and return the changed array. All right, so I might actually make a new array, or we could actually alter this one. Yeah, maybe we'll just alter the existing one. I don't know, you could do it either way. But first one we have to do is what is the larger one. So I'm going to do like just set a max value to be the first number, kind of like we do when we search through an array to find the max. So I'm just going to set it to be that one. And then I'm basically going to do if the last one is greater than max. Maybe I'll scroll down here a little bit so we can see this. If the last one is greater than max, then the max is going to become the last. Okay, and at this point, then we would have the max value. So the only question is, again, how do we get the last element? And so basically that last element is length minus 1. Right, so again, if this is length 3, exactly, oh no, they're always length 3. All right, so that makes it simple. So then the last one will be just num's position 2, because the indexes go 0, 1, 2. So the last one is just num's position 2. So if that's greater than the max, then it becomes the new max. So num's position 2 becomes the max. Okay, and then again, you could set these manually. You could just set num's position 0 to be equal to the max. You could then do num's position 1 equals max, num's position 2 equals max, right? So you could set them all to be the max. Whoops, I don't need to save it. I just need to run it. And I think that would, oh, I didn't return it then. And I got to return the nums array now that it's been altered. All right, and I think that'll work. Right, that passes all the test cases. Right, but please know you could also just do this with a loop, right? You could just loop from 0 to less than the length, right? Like we normally do. So I could do int I equals 0, I is less than nums dot length. Again, nums dot length is 3, so if we stay less than that, we'll go 0, 1, 2 plus I, and then I'm just going to set num's position I to be max. Right, and then delete those, and that should do the same thing. And kind of check, make sure we look okay. All right, so that is our solution to max, and we need an if, and then I would generally do a loop here and then return it. Thank you for watching.